Losing weight doesn't have to mean giving up the foods you love. Intermittent fasting is one of the simplest, most flexible approaches to fat loss. No complicated meal plans, no endless restrictions. It's about timing your meals to help your body burn fat naturally while keeping your energy high and your cravings low. In this video, we'll simplify how intermittent fasting works and how you can use it to reach your goals. Subscribe now for more simple and effective fitness and nutrition tips. Losing weight doesn't have to mean giving up your favorite meals or counting every calorie. Intermittent fasting, offers a smarter, simpler approach, one that helps you burn fat, balance hormones, and still enjoy food guilt-free. It's not about what you eat as much as when you eat. This ancient yet science-backed method of structured eating windows has transformed countless lives, making fat loss feel natural instead of forced. Here are the top 10 ways to understand, apply, and master intermittent fasting, so you can lose weight while still loving every bite. Point 10. The power of intermittent fasting explained. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet, it's a timing strategy. It cycles between periods of eating and fasting, allowing your body to rest, reset, and burn stored fat for energy. The idea is simple. When you fast, insulin levels drop, fat-burning hormones rise, and your body taps into its stored energy reserves. The best part? You can still enjoy your favorite foods during your eating window. You're not restricting what you eat, just when you eat it. It's flexible, sustainable, and effective for real-world lifestyles. Point 9. The science behind fat burning. When you eat constantly, your body stays in a fed state, always digesting and storing energy. But when you fast, insulin levels decrease, which allows fat stores to be broken down for fuel. Human growth hormone, HGH, also spikes during fasting, supporting muscle preservation and fat loss. Meanwhile, your metabolism becomes more efficient, and your body learns to switch between burning carbs and fats, a process known as metabolic flexibility. The result? A leaner, stronger, and more energized version of you. Point 8. Popular fasting methods. Find what fits you. There isn't one perfect way to fast. Choose a method that aligns with your routine. The 16:8 method, fast for 16 hours, eat within 8, is the most popular. Others prefer 14:10, 18:6, or even OMAD, 1 meal a day. Beginners often start with 12:12 to ease into the habit. The key is consistency. Find a rhythm that supports your lifestyle: morning workouts, family dinners, or work schedules, and stick to it. Intermittent fasting works when it fits naturally into your life, not when it feels forced. Point 7. How to break your fast the right way. The way you break your fast determines how your body responds. Start gently with nutrient-dense, balanced meals that include protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Great options include eggs with vegetables, Greek yogurt with berries, or a lean protein with brown rice and avocado. Avoid processed or sugary foods right after fasting. They spike insulin and undo your progress. Think of your first meal as a reward, not a rebound. Eat slowly, chew well, and savor every bite. Point 6. What to eat during eating windows. Intermittent fasting doesn't give you a free pass to overeat junk food. Focus on nutrient-dense whole foods, lean proteins, complex carbs, vegetables, fruits, and healthy fats. These foods keep you full and maintain steady energy levels. Avoid ultra-processed snacks and sugary drinks, as they trigger hunger cycles and slow fat burning. Balance is key. You can still enjoy pizza or dessert occasionally, but make it part of a mindful plan, not a habit. Fasting isn't deprivation, it's direction. Point 5. Staying hydrated and managing hunger during fasting hours. Hydration is your best ally. Water, black coffee, and unsweetened green tea keep hunger under control and metabolism active. Sometimes thirst disguises itself as hunger, so drink before you eat. Electrolyte drinks, without added sugar, can also help if you feel lightheaded or fatigued. Cravings are normal at first, but your body adapts quickly. Once it learns to use fat for fuel, you'll experience fewer hunger spikes and more stable energy throughout the day. Point 4. Exercise and intermittent fasting. Working out while fasting might sound intense, but it can actually accelerate fat loss. Fasted workouts improve insulin sensitivity and teach your body to rely on stored fat for energy. Light to moderate cardio works best during fasting hours, while resistance training can be done right before your first meal. Always listen to your body. If you feel dizzy or weak, adjust your timing or intensity. Post-workout meals should include protein and carbs to aid recovery and muscle growth. Remember, the goal is performance and progress. Point 3. Intermittent fasting and hormonal balance. Fasting influences key hormones that affect appetite and fat loss, including insulin, ghrelin, and leptin. Lower insulin improves fat metabolism, while reduced ghrelin decreases hunger cravings. Leptin sensitivity improves, helping your body recognize fullness more effectively. For women, fasting windows may need adjustment to support hormonal cycles. Shorter fasting periods, like 14-10, are often more sustainable. When done properly, it doesn't disrupt hormones. It helps them function at their best. Point 2. Common mistakes to avoid. Many people fail at intermittent fasting because they treat eating windows like buffets. Overeating, skipping hydration, or breaking fasts with processed foods can all stall progress. Another mistake is being inconsistent, fasting for a few days, then abandoning the schedule. Success requires patience, structure, and self-awareness. Don't obsess over perfection. Progress builds through routine. Avoid crash diets and trust the process. Your metabolism will adjust naturally over time. Point 1. Building a sustainable fasting lifestyle. Intermittent fasting isn't a quick fix. It's a lifelong relationship with food and timing. Once your body adapts, it becomes effortless. You'll eat fewer meals, but with more satisfaction, energy, and control. Combine fasting with balanced nutrition, quality sleep, and movement for optimal results. The true power of IF lies in freedom. Freedom from strict diets, calorie obsession, and emotional eating. It helps you reconnect with your body's natural rhythm and appreciate food as fuel, not as guilt. Intermittent fasting simplifies weight loss by focusing on timing, not restriction. It's a method that lets you burn fat efficiently, control cravings, and enjoy your favorite meals without guilt. When paired with mindful eating, hydration, and exercise, it becomes a powerful tool for long-term transformation. So stop fearing food, start fasting smart. Because when you master your eating rhythm, you unlock the perfect balance between discipline and delight. And that's where true freedom begins. And that's the beauty of intermittent fasting. It's not a diet. It's a lifestyle that gives you freedom while helping you burn fat and stay healthy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more science-based weight loss strategies and real-world nutrition advice. Stay consistent, stay patient, and enjoy your food while transforming your body the smart way.